So in this tutorial I will step by step guide you how to integrate or how to join your Google domain or your custom domain to your Google site. So there you can see that after searching loads of contents for the help articles from Google or from the other YouTube videos, you cannot see the exact process or a easier process to connect your Google domain to your Google site. Everybody is showing I have acknowledged that everybody is showing that you have to it is a must to have a Google Suite to add your custom domain to your Google site. But this is not a fact. I have talked to a Google assistant, and she said that there is another process, and she has guided me, and I am just delivering it to you. So let's start. So before starting this tutorial, there is a small request to everybody. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. I know this thing everybody tells, but this is a request to everybody because this will also give us revenue to further grow our channel. So before we start, you have to buy a domain from Google domain, or you can buy domains from anywhere. There is GoDaddy and many links are there. There are many website builders, those who gives that Google domain, those who gives domain custom domains, but they are not so cheap, so and they are not so secure. If you have this tutorial is for those who have bought this Google domain and who are working with this Google site. This is exactly for those people. So let us begin. Suppose you have bought a domain that is your domain name .xyz. I am showing the example through our domain, that is learniteasier.com, and we have here is our site. We have designed it in the Google sites. So to integrate it, the first step is to go to option in the Google site and then go to custom URL section, then click it, and then type here www. Please give the subdomain section. The subdomain section is the www.yourdomainname.xyz, whatever it is. Ours is www.learniteasier.com, and then press assign. So when you press assign, they can say you that please verify your domain. After clicking that verification link, it is easy to verify. It's not so tough. So after assigning it, go to this Google domain, and then in this managing, I am showing you from the beginning that go to domains.google, and then here you can see that manage my domains. So here is our domain, and after that you have to go to this configure DNS settings. In this setting, you have to go to this custom resource records, and you have to write here www, that subdomain. Don't write this at, just write www. Then from this drop down menu you have to select this CNAME, and don't change this 1H, don't change this, and in the domain name just paste this one, this ghs.googlehosted.com, I will write it in this description section, so don't worry if you can't see or if you can't listen to me. So okay, this is the first process, and then press add and it will be added. And if you are thinking that what is this one, it is said in that verification process when you are verifying your Google domain with webmasters. That is another part. That is very easy. There are guided steps. It is very easy, and then the second step is go to the synthetic record section, and in this subdomain forward section you have to, in the subdomain you have to write your domain name dot xyz. Remember, without the subdomain section, that www you have to not write. You have to only write suppose here I have written that learniteasier.com. So you will write your domain name dot xyz, and here you have to write sorry, here I have made a mistake. You have to in this subdomain section you have to write at the rate. Here you will write at the rate, and here you will write your www dot your domain name dot xyz. Like here I am writing learn it easier.com, and then click this add, and it will take about 24 hours to 48 hours to see the changes, and don't worry with that. And if there is any further queries, please say us in this comment section below, and thank you for watching this video.